Set in the quiet town of San Agustín Yatareni, just outside the vibrant cultural landscape of Oaxaca, the House of Light doesn't begin with a bold architectural statement. It begins with something more subtle: observation. Rather than replacing what was already there, the architects approached this home as an evolution, carefully reading its existing structure and asking a simple question: how can a house feel more alive, more connected, and more meaningful to everyday life? This project is not about dramatic transformation, but about refinement. Instead of tearing down and rebuilding, the design works through precise interventions, opening up views, softening edges with curved elements, and allowing spaces to flow naturally into one another. The result is a home where movement feels intuitive, where walking from one room to another becomes part of the experience itself, not just a transition. What makes this house particularly compelling is its balance between contemporary design and local tradition. Rather than imitating vernacular architecture, the design abstracts it, distilling it into textures, materials, and subtle imperfections. Walls finished with Limewashed create a living surface that shifts throughout the day as sunlight moves across it, while soft pink microcement accents add depth without overwhelming the space. There's also a strong sense of craftsmanship embedded into the home. Handmade clay elements, produced by local artisans, are integrated directly into the architecture, not as decoration, but as part of the structure's identity. Even the ceilings, made with natural reed, contribute warmth and improve acoustics, creating a space that feels both grounded and tactile. It's a reminder that good design isn't just seen, it's felt. Light, as the name suggests, plays a leading role. Natural and artificial lighting are carefully orchestrated to reveal textures, highlight transitions, and shape the mood of each room throughout the day. In the morning, the house feels soft and diffused. By afternoon, shadows bring out depth and contrast. And at night, warm lighting creates an intimate, almost meditative atmosphere. Ultimately, the House of Light is less about architecture as an object and more about architecture as a backdrop for living. It doesn't demand attention, it invites presence. By focusing on essentials like material, light, and time, the home creates a quiet but powerful connection between people and place. And maybe that's the most inspiring takeaway. Sometimes the most meaningful design isn't about adding more, but about revealing what was already there.